Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your CaixaBankNow app not opening, crashing, or loading slowly? Let's try to fix it under a minute. Let's start. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Then close the app completely and reopen it. Second step, clear cache or update the app. For that, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Caixa Bank. Scroll down and go to Storage. And here, tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, tap Clear Data. After that, open Play Store or Apple App Store, search for CaixaBankNow online banking app, and then update the app to the latest version if available. Then restart your phone. If it still does not work, uninstall and reinstall the CaixaBankNow app. This usually fixes most bugs. And if none of these steps work, open your browser and go to caixabank.es and check their support section. You can also contact customer care directly through their helpline or visit your nearest Caixa Bank branch for assistance. And that's it. These steps should help you fix most Caixa Bank Now app issues easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.